Your life is a do-it-yourself project. The responsibility of working hard, planning and living a successful and fulfilled life falls largely on you. This simply means that from this point forward, the burden of shaping your adult life is on your shoulders. The sooner you realize this, the better. The most important question to ask yourself is, what can I do today, this week, this month, this year, to get my life going in the direction I desire? If you truly believe that there is more to you than meets the eye, stop making excuses, and start living your best life today. If you are either on the verge of giving up, or are sick and tired of being mediocre, you can make a decision to start winning, by casting a yes vote in your favor today. You don't have to continue being stuck in that rut or being hounded by feelings of underachievement. Believe in yourself, you can make something of your life. Just don't give up. 5 most important life management questions. 1. What? What do you want to do with your life? This is probably one of the most important questions that you will ever answer. The answer to this question will lay the foundation for your destiny. Once you have clearly identified what you want to do with your life, it then becomes the focal point of everything you plan to do. Knowing what you want to do gives you clarity and a much-needed sense of purpose. It also prevents you from engaging in sidetracking, time-wasting ventures which have no connection to your purpose. 2. Why? Understanding the importance of why you want to achieve certain things in your life is the motivation that will drive you to accomplish the goals that you have set for yourself. Why do you want to achieve these goals you have set for yourself? Why do you want to lose weight? Why do you want to get married? Why do you want to start your own business? Why do you want to boost your self-esteem? The answers to these questions must be compelling enough to move you into action. 3. Who? In order for you to achieve certain things, you need to take on certain qualities. Who do you need to become as you strive to achieve your goal? Do you need to become more confident, committed and action-oriented? Do you need to become a risk-taker? Do you need to be more assertive? Identify the qualities that you need to adopt in order for you to achieve your goals. Max Dupree rightly said that we cannot become what we need to be, by remaining what we are. 4. How? How are you going to manage your life as a project? How are you planning on achieving your objectives? Do you have a step-by-step plan? Certain tools need to be in place to help you tie together all the pieces of the project you plan to accomplish. Having a plan is very important because it is the roadmap to your goal. It will help you know what information you require to make each phase of your life a success. For example, if you want to lose weight, how do you plan to lose it? If plan A fails, what is plan B? 5. When? Every goal you set must have a deadline, and any plan you have must cease from just being a plan, turn into action and produce tangible results. When are you going to be done with at least one specific goal you have set out to accomplish? When are you going to wrap up the project? Your life is a do-it-yourself project. If you want your plans to materialize, start taking action today.